And the policemen injured during yesterday's gun battle with robbers in Independence City, Portmore, St. Catherine, have been released from hospital. Two of the cops had been shot, while the third was run over by a car while the robbers were trying to escape. One of the gunmen was killed. He is still unidentified. The police are still searching for the second suspect. In the meantime, eyewitnesses told our news team that even while being shot at, the police officers were reluctant to return direct fire during peak hour traffic. They said the police fired warning shots.
Yeah.
It's like the police they never
Hey,
shoot him.
why the police don't want licky shot them? So the people in on the street and the vehicle them. So the police don't have a right to do for what them do.
It's like them
You know
never
see?
want to shoot him.
Yeah.
Shot for himself.
He want to shoot him, but he can't shoot him for the people them going up and down.
And when me people, the police are right at the car there, so.
Yeah.
I shoot after him while him there right here, so. And him about to shot in the ear.